In 1976, Rajneesh Ahuja started his own automotive company called Rajneesh International. Operating from Ludhiana, the land of entrepreneurship, this venture is one of the world's only companies involved in manufacturing, supplying and exporting superior quality diesel fuel injection spares and other automotive components. Rajneesh International has been recognized by the Confederation of Indian Industries and awarded by the Engineering Export Promotion Council for excellence in export performance for 2 consecutive years.
This is a very high-tech industry. In India, only Bosch is making all those equipments. We are into replacement market, and we have more than 50% share in the replacement market.
With 1,000 employees in 4 manufacturing units, Rajneesh International produces the largest range of diesel fuel injections in the world. It also has an extensive range of 500 other products spanning from feed pumps, overflow valves, diesel filter assembly, fuel injection pipes to pump repair kits and more. The company's business sphere is spread over 3,000 customers in 50 countries across the globe.
We are present in all big and small cities in India. We have a big chain of dealer and distributors. And regarding exports, we are doing Western Eastern Europe, we are doing Latin America, we are doing North, the whole of Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia.
Throughout India, in every city, whosoever knows this diesel fuel injection, they know our trademark. And many European countries, they buy from us with their trademark and sell to the third world countries. And there also, we are selling our products in our own brand name.
Fabricating components for original equipment manufacturers like Bosch and Delphi, Rajneesh International's key to growth is incorporating the latest technology and innovation in all its products. To ensure quality and minimize costs, the company has in-house manufacturing of a complete variety of steel, aluminium, plastic and rubber products.
You must have seen these days there are a lot of cars reading CRDI, Common Rail Diesel Injection Technology. All the vehicles now are coming in CRDI, and now we have tied up, collaborated with an Italian company who are the leaders in this particular business. I would say we are the only company in India who are providing a solution for the diagnosis and repair of the Common Rail Diesel Injection System.
Now approximately our turnover is 25 to 30 crores. And we have recently installed our expansion program, and we have installed machinery, CNC machinery.
Since inception, Rajneesh International's research and development wing is relentlessly engaged in finding and developing new techniques. This has helped create a distinct identity for the company in the automotive components market.
Now the SMEs are also now concentrating and spending a lot of money as far as the R&D sector is concerned. So in that respect, we are looking forward some support from the government as far as such type of a capital investment is concerned, so that they are on their own feet as far as that sector is concerned.
At Rajneesh International, a quality control department monitors material quality right from the stage of raw material procurement to the last stage of shipping a consignment. A standard room equipped with machines to check strength, accuracy and dimension give Rajneesh International's products an international edge.
We work on the principle that quality is produced, not inspected. So we have different setups, and we are getting good quality produced and need not to be inspected afterwards. And our rate of rejection is less than 1%.
Quite recently we have started this Common Rail system, and we will be going more into the unit injector system, which is an upcoming technology in India. You must have seen the Volvo buses doing a lot of business on the highways these days. So that is the kind of market we are targeting.
With the vision to be a pioneering name in the auto ancillary industry, Rajneesh International is expecting a turnover of over 100 crore rupees in the next 5 years. Registering a growth rate of 20% year on year, Rajneesh International is racing ahead to become a leader of tomorrow.